Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah guys, the road has been blocked, everyone. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
To the park.
To the park. We're not going to the park.
Yes.
So yeah guys, today is the 14th of July. Happy 14th of July everyone. So we're gonna see how the 14th of July is. I think there's a concert today. I'm not so sure.
And fireworks.
Yeah, but for sure there is gonna be fireworks, everyone. So see you later. Qu'est-ce
Vanilla and strawberry mixed.
And what is your plan? What's the plan? Huh? So the road here has been blocked, so we cannot go to the park while waiting for the fireworks. So we will just be turning around there. I don't know what we're gonna do, but the road has been blocked here because they are preparing for the fireworks over there. Over there. Because this is where the fireworks is gonna be, and millions of people right now every morning. Hi Ati! Hi! Millions of people are here now. It's very full of people. This place is, oh my god, it's full of people. All of them are waiting for the biggest fireworks ever.
It's not biggest, it's just normal one.
Because I think it's bigger than last time, no?
No.
Because it's after the COVID. Oh god. Look at that. Wait. There's millions of people, guys. All the restaurants are full. We wanted to have some french fries. Something to eat. Yes, everything is full, so we are gonna stay starving a little bit. There is nothing. Because there's nothing. That is grouped up there. They grouped. Fireworks gonna be there near that color of the flag of France. You're waiting for?
Fireworks.
Waiting for the fireworks?
Yeah.
Sure.
And I'm going to eat.
You're going to eat? What do you want to eat?
Yeah.
Guys, the fireworks gonna start at 11. Is it 11? 11? I think so. And now it's 10:50 something, so it's about to start, everyone. So it's here. Look, guys, all the people, guys. Lots of are gonna go home, but I think we will drop by my husband's bar. It's what time is it now? Is it midnight? Yeah, it's midnight now. It's almost midnight, everyone. And we are the only ones inside.
Don't forget to